Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about the network problem in Google Pixel 8a. So if you are facing the network related issue like the network is not working or any other such problem, I will tell you how to resolve. Before I jump to the video, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. For further details, now let's watch the video and see how to fix it.